So, dagdag no, yung pinaka-analysis ng marami, wala akong nakitang nag-analyze sa laban ni Pacquiao, wala akong nadinig sa laban ni
Pacquiao. It's a one-of-one athlete, and the way people love and remember him is also special. These fans came not to support, they believe that he can win ultimately. And you certainly saw that the way the betting line changed as we got closer.
Yeah, you're right. And so Pacquiao showing some grits, he's showing some good shots, but again, the hard shots, they're only by Barrios.
There's a quick guarding Manny Pacquiao, as you see. Unofficial score, Larry Hazard, as the fight is drawn out after 4 rounds, giving the champion the last 2. Abner, do you get the feeling Barrios is showing too much respect, or is there enough of a threat coming back that this is how you have to break Pacquiao down?
I think that there's enough of a threat from Manny Pacquiao, aggression, the fast punches that has Barrios thinking. He's not, again, he does not want to make a mistake.
So pang ilang round na nga ba to? Parang nawala na ako, no?
We know by Santos where he's going to tell him, and he's going to urge him, okay, it's time to step it up. Act like the bigger guy and the younger guy. Push him back.
There's a nice left there from Manny Pacquiao. Partially parried by Mario Barrios, but you can see why he is leery of throwing that right hand until he has an opportunity. And he did say, I'm going to take him to deep waters. I want to see how much he has left, how those legs are cramping or not cramping past 6, 8, 10 rounds. I know I'm young. I know I'm 30 years old. I'm in my prime. He is not. Barrios is starting to time that countering right hand perfectly after Pacquiao finishes his combination attempts.
Pacquiao can't get that jab off his face from Barrios.
Okay, good morning. Share ko sa inyo sa pagising ko, no, I open my TV at magugulat ka na hanggang ngayon ang pinag-usapan pa din ay si Manny Pacquiao, no, sa pinag-usapan internationally. So parang dito sa atin parang nasapawan ang magandang performance ni Manny Pacquiao dahil sa bagyo na or sa baha na encounter natin. Pero internationally patuloy pa rin ang growing sentiments against the decision, na maraming mga fighter analysts nagsasabi na it was really a win fight for Pacquiao. So maraming mga, kahit yung mga sikat, no, mga sikat na di ko na kinuha mga pangalan nila, mga basta they were really parang nagalit sila sa naging decision. At yung isa doon sa promotor ng fight na to, na kailangan daw immediate investigation at talagang ipakita ang scoring card, dahil ang paniniwala niya ay ang resulta na to ay, o maraming naniniwala, isa na siya doon, na ito'y yun ang hindi maganda sa boxing, no. Dito may politicking dito sa larong ito. So may nagsasabi na shame on the judge. Isabihin, hindi sila sang-ayon talaga sa naging decision, no. Sa tingin nila, o kahit naman doon sa running commentator na 84-87, di ba? So in favor of Pacquiao. So saan nila kinuha yun? So parang may isang analyst nagsasabi na Manny Pacquiao was being robbed for creating a history of in boxing. Na siya lang yung 8-time wala namang question na doon, na 8 division champion siya. The oldest fighter who returned to the ring and still won. Yun ang dapat na ma-record ni Manny Pacquiao. So maraming hindi kontento at balita, si Manny Pacquiao ay umapila. So siguro dala na rin ng mga suggestion ng iba na talagang unang-una kasi, di ba, parang okay lang naman sa kanya. Although sinabi niya, I thought I won the fight. Pero parang ngayon, balita, Manny Pacquiao is appealing to the WBC to investigate or what to do to question, or he questioned about the decision. Okay? So, yun ang about Manny Pacquiao. Ang